Welcome to CAS 103. This is an introductory course to computers. You're going to need to create a Moodle account, but to do that you're going to have to get on the internet first. There's a couple of different ways to get on the internet. There's Internet Explorer. It comes installed on all Windows machines, including Windows 7, which is what we'll be focused on today. However, Internet Explorer has its tendency to have its issues. So even though Microsoft would really like us to all use their Internet Explorer, I don't. In fact, I can't even get this copy of it to work consistently. Another choice that a lot of people make is to use Firefox. Many people choose to download Firefox by going to www.mozilla.org and downloading Firefox. Of course, you have to have a working copy of Internet Explorer to start with. My first choice is to actually use Google Chrome. So I go to www.Google Chrome with either Firefox or Internet Explorer, and I ask it to install Chrome. And I go ahead and do the Chrome install. Now that's my first choice. It really doesn't matter which one you use. All of them will work unless you're on my computer and my Internet Explorer doesn't seem to want to work. However, should there be passwords, you put those in, those types of things. You're going to need to open a browser, be it Firefox, be it Internet Explorer, be it Google Chrome. And once you get the browser open, you're going to need to go to Columbia Gorge Community College, which is www.cgcc.cc.or.us. And we'll all go there in just a minute. Okay, as you can see, I've arrived at the Columbia Gorge Community College homepage. And this page is under construction fairly often, so you'll come in here sometime and you'll say, whoa, things changed. That's okay. All you need to find is the Moodle login. Once you find the Moodle login, that's where you're going to spend the rest of your time. You can mark it by using a favorite. Different browsers use different favorites. In Chrome, it's just do the star. It's going to ask you where to put it, and I've now added it. If you have an account already, you would use that to contact your instructor if you're not able to get into the class. However, we're going to assume you have not created an account. So you're going to go here to this link and you're going to sign up for an account. You're going to create a username. You're going to create a password. You're going to put in an email address. Now that email address is the one that you're going to be checking regularly throughout your college career. I suggest you use your Columbia Gorge student account, but some people would prefer to have it be their Gmail account or their Yahoo account, their Hotmail account. Understand that if you do something like a charter or a GorgeNet, you're not going to be able to send email if you're not at home. You're not going to be able to send a reply or send back email that is sent to you by Moodle if you're using that type of an email address. So I would encourage you to either use what's called a web-based email, which would be your school account, your Gmail account, a Yahoo, Hotmail, Live type account. Put in your email address, put in your email address again, and put in your real first name, the one that is on your college registration. Not Bubba or whatever your nickname is, whatever it is. If you are, Samantha, but you go by Sammy, but your college registration shows Samantha, please put in the Samantha. Put in your surname, which is your last name. What is your legal last name on your college registration? If you were just married, just divorced, whatever, make sure you're using the same last name that's on your college registration. Because if you don't, instructors are instructed not to put you into the class. Okay. It's also really helpful if your email address matches the one that's listed for your student services account. Because there's a way for instructors to send bulk emails to the whole class with one click. And so instead of getting emails sent to multiple accounts, you should make your Moodle account, your student account with student services match, and then your instructors will use the same email that you're using, and everybody will be happy because everything will go in the right place. So the key is make sure your emails are working and are usable ones, and please don't use the excuse, well, I get so much spam in that email I can't find what you sent me. then don't use that email account. You each have a student account. please use it. Put in your city and your town. You have to put in these cute little words, and then you hit create account. Once you've done that, you're going to have to go to your email. You're going to have to open your email, and you're going to need to click on a link that's been sent to you. That is to verify that you really are wanting that account. It really is you, and they will make it Moodle account then. Until you've clicked on that, you are not in the system. So we're not done yet. We go to our email account, we click on the link, and we give it a little bit. Then what's going to happen is your instructor, me in this case, is going to put you in the class. When you're put in the class, you're going to come in, and it's usually under whatever term it is. This video is being made in winter of 2013. So of 2013, it's going to be here. You click on here, you go down, and you find your course. Once you find your course, you click on it. In our case, I'm going to actually go to the off term to get to our class, but that won't be your normal place to go. And we're going to log in.